Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of your favorite tuna, about 1/4 cup of creamy mayonnaise, and some fresh, crisp lettuce leaves. Don't forget a stalk of celery and a small red onion for that perfect crunch. Make sure you have a mixing bowl and a fork handy to get started. Now, let's get mixing. Start by thoroughly draining your 2 cans of tuna. This step is crucial for a great texture. Once drained, transfer the tuna into your mixing bowl. Next, add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Then, toss in your finely diced celery and red onion. These fresh additions will give your tuna salad a wonderful flavor and satisfying crunch. It's time to season your creation. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an extra layer of flavor, consider stirring in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix everything well until it's perfectly combined. Finally, spoon your delicious tuna salad onto crisp lettuce leaves for a light and refreshing meal. Enjoy! Want to customize your tuna salad? Try adding chopped pickles, capers, or fresh dill for a different twist. You could also include hard-boiled eggs or a sprinkle of paprika. For storage, keep any leftover tuna salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This makes it perfect for quick lunches throughout the week. And hey, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.